Experiencing microphone problems with your HyperX Cloud Alpha headset? You're not alone. This video addresses common issues like the mic not being detected, producing no sound, or having low volume. The primary cause is often software misconfiguration, not hardware failure. We'll focus on troubleshooting input device and audio settings. First, ensure your HyperX Cloud Alpha is set as the default recording device in your operating system. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, go to the Recording tab, select HyperX Cloud Alpha, and click Set as Default Device. On macOS, go to System Preferences, then Sound, select the Input tab, and choose HyperX Cloud Alpha. Next, adjust the microphone volume levels and disable any audio enhancements that might be interfering. On Windows, in the Recording tab from Step 1, select HyperX Cloud Alpha, click Properties, go to the Levels tab, and adjust the microphone level. Also, check the Enhancements tab and disable any enhancements. On macOS, adjust the Input Volume slider in the Input tab from Step 1. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with your HyperX Cloud Alpha microphone. Download and install the HyperX Ngenuity software version 5.3 or later from the official HyperX website. Once installed, use Ngenuity to update your headset's drivers and firmware. The software provides an intuitive interface for these updates. Ngenuity also includes automated microphone calibration and real-time troubleshooting features that work seamlessly with Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma. To grant microphone access on Windows, open Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Search for microphone privacy settings in the Windows search bar to quickly access the menu. In the Privacy menu, select Microphone from the left sidebar. Ensure the toggle for allowing apps to access your microphone is turned on. Also, enable microphone access specifically for the HyperX Cloud Alpha device itself. On macOS, open System Preferences and go to Security and Privacy. Select the Privacy tab, then choose Microphone from the list on the left. Check the boxes next to the applications that need microphone access, such as Discord or recording software. Granting these permissions ensures apps can access your HyperX Cloud Alpha microphone without issues. If microphone issues persist in specific applications like Discord or OBS, check the audio settings within those apps. In Discord, ensure the correct input device, the HyperX Cloud Alpha, is selected in voice settings. Check push-to-talk settings. Improper configuration can cause microphone problems. In OBS Studio, verify that audio input capture is set to the HyperX Cloud Alpha. Disable noise suppression features that may be causing microphone muting. Turn off automatic gain control, as it can interfere with microphone input. Step 6 focuses on restarting and checking connections. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Start by restarting your computer completely, then restart any applications you're using with the headset. Next, check the physical connections. Ensure the microphone is securely attached to the headset. Look for any loose connections or damage. Then, verify the headset is properly connected to your computer's audio port or USB port. For wired headsets, check the audio jacks. If using USB, try connecting to a different USB port to rule out port issues. If basic steps fail, try the Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Right-click the sound icon and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Consider third-party audio management software like Voicemeeter as an alternative to Ngenuity if you suspect software limitations. Be aware of potential EMF interference from nearby devices and consider using shielded cables. As a last resort, test the headset on another computer to rule out hardware issues. These advanced troubleshooting steps and alternatives should help resolve most HyperX Cloud Alpha microphone issues.